Hey guys, this is Jared with Profiles That Pop, getting you first impressions in seconds. I give a few top tips in these profile pop-up posts to help as many people as possible. So here we go with Peter. Now, good picture there. When you are pulling up in a search, the picture is unique enough that that stands out, as you can tell from the other ones that might have a similar name, and it's short enough that we get to see a bit more of your headline, which I love. Now, your headline has got some really good content to it, and I presume that that sums you up pretty well as to what you want to be doing, which is great. My first thought is when I came down to your about, or formerly known as, or also known as your summary, then I started having some trouble, because here when it says I am an accomplished professional with an extensive background providing innovative and strategic technology and digital solutions, other than the strategic technology and digital solutions, I haven't really learned a whole lot about you right now at this point. And it's got to be enough to make me want to tap on see more. Now, even when I do, I have a proven track record. Here, you're telling us, I want to see it. I want you to show us. I want you to give me metrics. I want you to back it up. And I'm going to jump ahead of here a second, but when I went ahead, you got a whole bunch of endorsements. You've got all 50 skills going on here, which is great. That shows you're probably active. You've probably got a good network going on there, and based on your size as well. And then you also have 51 recommendations. You've got 4 projects, courses, languages, a whole bunch of good stuff here. You've taken off the competition, if you notice in the bottom, causes that you care about. So I really want to see some quick examples of that. I want to know that you have 51 recommendations. I want to know in general, what is it that they say about you? Okay, there's so many good ways that you could be popping and jumping out, and don't make me have to read all of this. Make it be really clear, really fast as to what you offer, what results you've gotten, and what your story is. Now, when I jump into your experience here, that's the other thing I wanted to show you. It goes to that same point. Notice how you've got a break here after the right before the word strategy is like its own paragraph, and you've got that crammed together, and maybe you did that knowing that things would be kind of short like this and already kind of close together. But when I open this next one up, for example, it becomes even more apparent. There's a lot of text there. I have nothing that's helping me break it up. I'm not seeing metrics. So that's a kind of a theme I'm seeing here. You do have some good content, IoT, Internet of Things, robotics, robotic process automation, RPA. Get those acronyms in there too, by the way, like you did here, League of Companies. But you've got a lot of good content in here, but you need to summarize it for us. We're lazy. We're not going to spend the time to read this potentially. You've got to hook us, bring us in, sell yourself fast. So that's kind of where I want to leave this. I think that helps give you guys the idea. Overall, a great profile. You've got a lot of great stuff going on here, Peter, but I think you can help pop it a little bit better. Anyway, guys, thanks. Let me know what you thought in the comments.